क्या किया था? Now we are going to write about the discovery of electron. And what is an electron? Shreya, can you explain what is an electron?
An electron is the negatively charged particle which revolves around the nucleus of the atom.
Okay, now Vanshika, anything you want to mention?
It is a subatomic particle of the atoms, which is carrying the negative charge, and it revolves around the orbit of an atom.
Very good. Suresh, can you mention some points?
Electrons are subatomic particles of an atom which revolves around the nucleus because of the negative and positive charge of protons and electrons.
Very good. Jana, any previous concept about electrons?
The electron is the atomic particle which can lose they move around the nucleus of an atom.
Okay. Please.
In a particular shapes.
Very good. So before starting that, we must recall one basic concept that in any element which hold a nucleus, and nucleus contains what? Proton and neutron. Proton and neutron. And the outer orbits which are present as the energy cells, what we call it? Energy cells. These energy cells hold a particle which is known as electron. And the electron revolves around the nucleus due to the internal nuclear force. Due to the internal nuclear force, what we call it? Nuclear charge. What we call it? Nuclear force of attraction or nuclear charge. And being positive inside and negative outside, that shows the opposite charge attracts each other, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
That means when there are dislike charges or unlike charges are present, they attract each other. But what happens if the electron also hold the same positive charge? They will repel each other, right? Like in mathematics, what happens? Positive makes positive, but in chemistry it makes different. Positive negative makes positive attraction. That means bringing together. Like it happens in the magnetism. Similar poles repel and opposite poles attract. Similarly here also, the opposite will attract, and by this attraction, the electron used to make the circular path around the nucleus, right? And continuously state of motion, isn't it? And what happens if the energy will decrease or increase? What happens to the electron? Suppose if the energy is going to decrease of the outer energy cell, then what will happen?
Sir, it will be going to other.
Yeah. Only two concepts are there. If we are going to decrease the energy, suppose this is shell A and this is shell B, right? And if we are going to decrease the energy of cell B, then what will happen? The electron of cell B will shift into shell A. And if we are going to increase the energy of shell B, then what will happen? This electron will shift to another cell or moves out. And this is the reason why the chemical compounds are formed. That's why the chemical reaction takes place, no? And this is also a factor which shows the stability of the compound, that what type of compound will be formed and how much stable it is. If the energy is almost similar to the formation of compound, it will become stable. But if you are providing excess of energy to make a compound and suddenly you will remove the energy, the compound will collapse. That sort of compounds are known as unstable compound. What we call it? Unstable compound. That means there will be only few times or few minutes of compound stability that will get dissolved afterwards when you will remove the energy. Clear? Because when you remove the energy, the excited electron, which type of electron? Excited electron will again move back to its initial position. Will again move back to its initial position. And if someone gets inside its home, it is not possible to take it out again, isn't it? Suppose you are playing outside with your friend, lot of energy is there, and suddenly your father comes and they give you another energy. Then you get inside your home, mother has locked the door. What will happen? Are you able to open the door again and go outside? No, because that previous energy has been collapsed. A new energy has been retained. So, this type of compound is unstable in nature. Now you are not going to form a compound now. Chalo game खेलना. You cannot say. Because you remember that the external energy will also applied again. And again you will get inside the room. Getting the point? So, always the compound get formed on the two natures. Either it is initial stage or excited stage. It is clear to you all? Okay, now write down the discovery of electron. The discovery of electron came into existence EXISTENCE came into existence soon after the experiment of conduction of electricity through gases and it was demonstrated by William Crookes. Got the point? Now place the heading. Experiment for demonstration. Experiment for demonstration of conduction of electricity performed by William Crookes. Those who are new, I must remind you that you have to complete your notes and then you have to attempt your exercises. because maximum content I used to give in the notes only, so that you can make the answers from notes. Okay, and rest of the question of long answers you have to mention in your notebook and follow all the MCQs and fill up and match it if possible in the book with pencil or make it happen in the copy as well. Clear? Okay. Write down the first point, very first point. In 1878, William Crook studied William Crook studied the conduction of, I just wrote 1878. The conduction of electricity through gases through gases at very low pressure. At very low pressure. Completed. Students, please only do your work, don't talk at all. Just make this diagram right now. Make it. Battery you all know? Cathode, anode you know? Cathode is the charge? Negative. Anode is? Negative. So here it is positive and here it is negative. That means this wire will be what? Cathode. And this wire will be? Here. This is a vacuum pump. These are the plates and these are the immediate particles. Run fast. Which one? Vacuum pump. Sorry, pump. Vacuum pumps. You can create another type just आपको अच्छी लगे. So in next class we will continue with the same topic. That's all for today. Complete all your pending works and we will finish this chapter by the end of Wednesday. Thank you class.